Hi babe, what are you doing?
I'm building the digital product to help freelancers get more clients, Python programmers. So I'm going through the process right now. I've got, I'm basically building out the layout and doing my research. So I've got my books here on the floor next to all my other crap. So I'm a little disorganized, but yeah, I'm just going through some of the best things resources that I've found and that really helped me through my process, and then trying to consolidate that all into a nice package that people can go take and dominate their industries as their specific niches in the Python programming language. So anyway, it's all an experiment. I'm not sure what will people resonate with, so all I have is my own experience and and my energy. I think that's pretty much what I bring to the table, my positive attitude. So, but yes, thanks for asking me. Thanks for jumping in here.
You're welcome.
I love you.